Welcome in Bäckerei-Installation in Lochristi. It's a bakery that exists 3 generations of my grandfather, my father and myself. We have investments in a cooling installation with CO2. We are very happy because we are taking care of the environment with the CO2. You can count on the CO2. It's never broken. We have saved us a lot of money, quite electricity. But the older motors of the cooling systems on gas, there was always problems with the neighbors and such things. And now it's CO2. We don't have that anymore. It's quite, you not hear it in the outside. And also the environment for my kids. I have 2. They're gonna live much longer. The installation is now installed over 1 year. We have not have any problem with it. It's super, and I think in the end of the year we have another 3 installations. We're gonna replace them for a whole new one, also at CO2. That's a little bit the story of the bakery. Dus I'm gonna say to all of you, invest in CO2. Alright, I'm gonna show you the installation where I'm very happy with. Okay? Follow. In the heart of the bakery. That's here it is, what I'm very proud of. Is the new installation. It's with displays. It's connected to the computer. If there is any problem, you're gonna have it on your phone and all such of things. Voila, here it is. Very cold. All right, now you can go check outside.
Je m'appelle Koen de Kuiper, je suis gérant de la société Frigro. Ensemble, avec notre installateur frigoriste Hendrick Husveld, nous avons réalisé cette chambre négative qui se trouve au-dessous de nos pieds. Comme vous savez, cette installation se trouve dans une boulangerie, Goethals, à Lochristi à Gand. Et l'installateur et le client final, ils ont choisi pour une solution CO2, division 2 groupes. Alors c'est une grande chambre, mais il y a 2 évaporateurs à l'interne. Et il y a une régulation spécifique là-dessus qui va gérer la température interne dans la chambre. En plus, si on regarde la capacité dont on a besoin sur cette installation, on a environ besoin de la moitié pour la conservation, mais aussi un surplus, alors 50% de la capacité pour la congélation des pâtes fraîches que le boulanger entre chaque jour.
Panasonic